Hello students, in this video lecture we will study constants. Constant refer to the fixed values. That means the values do not change during the execution of the program. It uses the secondary storage area, and for every language constants are almost same. There are different types of constant. First one is numeric constant and second one is character constant. Further, numeric constant can be categorized as integer constant and real constant, whereas character constant can be categorized as single character constant and string constant. So let's see first numeric constant. It have numeric value having a combination of sequence of digits, and 0 to 9, 0, 1, 2, 3 up to 9 as alone digits or combination of 0 to 9 digits with or without any decimal point. The next one is integer numeric constant can be of three types: decimal integer, octal integer and hexadecimal integer. The first is decimal integer. It is a set of digits 0 to 9. It can be preceded by an optional minus or plus sign. Embedded spaces, commas, non-digit characters are not permitted between these digits. For example, 123 minus 321 0 654321 plus 78, etc. The next is octal integer. It is a combination of digits 0 to 7 with a leading 0. For example, 037. It is a octal integer. 0, 0435, 0551. All these are examples of octal integers. The next one is hexadecimal integer. It is a sequence of digits preceded by 0 small x or 0 capital X. It also includes alphabets A, B, C, D, E and F, or alphabets in lowercase a to F, and these represent numbers 10 to 15, like A for 10, B for 11, C for 12, D for 13, E for 14 and F for 50. For example, 0x2, 0x9F, F represents here 15, 0xBCD and 0x. All these are the examples of hexadecimal integers. Now the range of integer constants. Generally it is machine dependent for largest integer values, but on 16-bit machines it is 32767 and on 32-bit machines it is 2,147, 483, 647. And it is also possible to store larger integer constants by appending qualifiers like U, L and UL. U for unsigned, L for long and UL for unsigned long. The examples are unsigned integer. For unsigned integer, 56789 capital U or 56789 with smaller u. Similar way, unsigned long integer 985674213 UL. UL represents unsigned long. And in the similar way, long integer 9876543 L. It can be in the uppercase or it can be in the lower case. The next one is real constant. Real constants are represented by numbers containing fractional parts like 15.456. These are shown in decimal notation, having a whole number followed by a decimal point and the fractional point. It is possible to omit digits before or after the decimal points. For example, you can write 215.0.95 minus 0.72 plus 0.5. You need not to write here 0. It may also be expressed in exponential notation, also called as scientific notation, and the general form of real constants is mantissa, then e, and then its exponent. Example, like you have to write 215.65. It can be written in this mantissa e exponent form as 2.1565 e, then 2. E2 means multiply by 10 raised to power 2. In real constants, mantissa is either a real number represented in decimal notation or an integer, and exponent is an integer number with an optional plus or minus sign. Letter E, which separates the mantissa and the exponent, can be written in uppercase or lowercase, but embedded white space is not allowed in the numbers. Real constants are useful for very large or very small numbers. For example, you have to write this number 95. I think it has 8 zeros, and it can be written as 9.5 E9 or 95 E8, and minus 0. These are, I think, 6 zeros, 348. It can be written as minus 3.48 E minus 7. The next one is single character constant. It contains a single character enclosed in single quote marks. For example, 5 in single quotation or X in single quotes. These are called single character constant. Character constant is not the same as the numbers. It have some integer values known as ASCII values. ASCII means American Standard Code for Information Interchange. For example, if we write A, then it has ASCII value associated with it 97. It is also possible to perform arithmetic operations on character constants. The next are string constants. String constants are a sequence of characters enclosed in double quotes, and these characters may be letters, numbers, special characters, and blank spaces. For example, hello in double quotes, 1987 in double quotes. Single character string is not equivalent to a character constant, and it also does not have an equivalent integer values. Like single character constant have ASCII values associated with it, but character string does not have any equivalent integer value. Thank you. Have a nice day.